Unlock the power of direct selling by learning exactly how to publish your home on Zillow for maximum reach. First, navigate to Zillow.com on your computer or mobile device and locate the Sell section, or the List Your Home option, usually found in the navigation bar. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, or simply sign in using your existing Zillow, Google, or social media credentials to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your property's full address. This allows Zillow to pre-populate some basic information about your home. Review the pre-filled details for accuracy, and then select the option to list for sale by owner to manage your listing directly. Now, it's time to set your asking price. Be sure to research comparable homes in your area to determine a competitive value below that. Craft a compelling description that highlights your home's unique features and selling points. Next, upload high-quality photos. This is critical for attracting potential buyers. Include well-lit images of every room, the exterior, and any desirable outdoor spaces. Provide detailed information about your home's features, such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and any recent renovations or desirable amenities. The more information, the better. Enter your preferred contact information so interested buyers can reach you directly. You'll also have the option to schedule open house dates and times, which will be visible on your listing. Before publishing, thoroughly review all the information you've entered for accuracy and completeness. Ensure your photos are correctly displayed and your description is free of errors. Once you're confident, hit that Publish Listing button. Your home will now be live on Zillow, visible to millions of potential buyers.